Okay, so Augie, I saw your question. Where do I train the AI? I also do train it on the video page. Okay, so if you have this right here, let me go this here. Here we go. Okay, so if you're inside here, let's go back to the landing page here. So if we're going to have the AI on the page, like we see it right here, if we're going to have this, what we do is we come inside the Dubb platform. Let's go in here. And you're going to go right here under assets, which is right here to the left. And when you click on assets, sales assistance is going to come up right here. Now you can either have sales assistance. See how we have a few different ones here. We always talk about with these landing pages that you want to have landing pages related to different parts of your audience. So if I was in real estate and I had buyers and sellers, that's like the easiest split. I want a page for buyers, page for sellers. But it could be in any industry that you're in, coaching, consulting, insurance, mortgage. What segment of your audience do these landing pages speak to? And in regard to the AI, do we educate them on those specific parts of our audience, or are they an all-knowing AI? So it's totally up to you, but it seems pretty convenient that when you set these up, you're able to have like, hey, here's my buyer agent, my seller agent, my FSBO, my expired, whatever you have in there. And when you set these up, how it's educated is you want to give the AI resource links, which is just different websites that you're going to feed into the AI. So you notice here with Dubb, we did Dubb.com, support, features, testimonials, all these right in here. And then you also can have up to 20 FAQs that you can add, and then you can upload the PDF right down here. So you can do one or the other or both and really educate on that certain part of your business or services. And then you have your little welcome message, which will be on the page. And then also you can collect anything down here if you want to collect email, phone, name. If not, you can uncheck it. And then you just push for a certain call to action. Like what's that number one thing you want them to do when they're done? Now, this creates it for the landing pages. So when you have your Dubb landing pages, all you have to do is say, okay, what assistant do I want on what page? Well, you go to your presets. And then you just add the AI just by clicking in here and add your sales assistant right here to the right page that you want it to be on. And then it'll be on the right page and it will know the right things when you're ready to do this. Now, the AI assistant itself isn't just on the landing page. It also can be outside of the landing page. So there's a button right here that says external link. So say you just wanted to share your AI with someone. They had questions and you wanted to send them directly the AI. So when they open it opens up like ChatGPT like you see right here. So if I was in contact with someone, I could send them an email and I could say, hey, my sales assistant. And you could just send this link. Say, hey, do you have any questions? Great. They click on it and then it opens it up and they're able to interact right there with the AI. So that's a nice way to use it as well. You also technically can use this link on a social post. So with social posting, normally when you do videos, like on LinkedIn or TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, when you do your social post, typically what we'll have below is we'll have a pinned comment and it's usually a Dubb link like this right here. So if someone saw my social post and like, oh, they clicked on the link down here, that would go to a landing page like that. But you could, if you wanted to, you could not use that and say, you know what, I don't want someone to go from a video to a video. I want someone to go from a video to clicking on stuff and getting info. So, which they can do on the landing page, but you can put an AI assistant link down here instead. So when they click on it, it goes to like the ChatGPT open up. So it's really just a choice of style. Do you want them to go from a video to a video, or do you want them to go from video to click on that to an informational AI that they can communicate right away, just like that?